Silver is 310310. Playing your Cantaloupe Bingo pull tab. First call, we call the Cantaloupe Bingo. Crystal ball for Cantaloupe Bingo is 51.
You cute. You cute, girl. You cute, girl.
9 or 9.
You cute, girl.
Number 2. 5, number 5.
Ooh, that would have been so great. That would have been so great.
35.
That would have been so great.
26. 23.
It's another one.
19. 28.
It's like 24. It's like 24.
58. 8.
That's what I saw for. That's yellow. It's
20. 0.
It's green.
67. 67. 59. 59.
Oh my goodness.
16. 16. 36. 36. 52. 2.
Look at all those red balls.
57. 7. 62. 62. 31. 31.
Oh my goodness. Come on, Rags.
Is that all you need is a red?
Yes.
32.
That's you next.
That's me. Come on, Nelly. Call it out there, Nelly.
50. 0.
It is me. It is Nelly.
21.
Bingo!
Bingo ball.
Good job, Nelly.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I
Oh.
gotta split. Yeah, you gotta split. Here we go.
Oh. Nelly called it. Nelly called it out. She said, that's you right there. You split.
This is your alphabet. Betty pulls in alphabet Betty.